We are sharing my mom's secret recipe for Chinese lapyuk today, cured pork belly. You're going to need 3 pounds of nice marbled pork belly. Cut them into 1-inch strips. Add 1/4 cup sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Add 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce called Lou Cao. Add a 1/4 cup soya sauce. Add a 1/4 cup hard liquor that is above 40% concentration like vodka. Thoroughly rub and mix all the seasoning and sauce onto the pork belly. Cover and refrigerate for 24 hours. Take the pork belly out of the fridge and massage the sauce all over the meat to make sure the sauce is spread evenly. Let it sit in room temperature for 2 to 3 hours. As you can see, the pork belly has already started picking up the dark color from the dark soya sauce. Thread a large needle to get ready to hang the meat. Choose a lean part of the pork belly to thread and loop and tie. Loop and tie all the pieces of pork belly ready for hanging. Line your floor with plastic to collect the juice that drips from the pork belly. So these are our preserved pork belly, day 1. We're just hanging them to dry in the sun. It's a beautiful day. These are going to be so delicious when they're ready to eat. This is what the pork belly will look like on day 2. You will need to take the pork belly and bake it at 200 degrees for about 10 minutes to dry it up. Continue to hang the meat in a sunny and dry place. On day 4, you will notice that the pork belly is starting to harden. On day 6, the pork belly has hardened and it's ready to be bagged and ziplocked and put in the refrigerator. The cured pork belly will be ready to eat the next day. If you are not planning to eat the next day, please put it in the freezer so that it will keep longer. We hope you'll enjoy our family's cured pork belly recipe.